a truck built for speed, a bag of dust they called chicken feed. You stayed in the saddle till your nose would bleed. Just get them cows to Abilene. When your woman said, sugar, when you're gonna slow down, you just smiled and said, baby, baby, come next round. The Cracker King is long gone, never stayed nowhere too long. Might have been right, it might have been wrong, but all the boy did was wrong. You were the box rate boys out of Pompano, with the penny loafers and the best to blow. You loaded the ride when the man said go, and made Hunts Point in one day's time. I followed you once out of Moss Hill, Maine. You had a stainless spread with a double frame. You were pushing 50 ton through the Georgia rain, heading for the Florida line. When your woman said, it's your 359 on me, you just smiled and said, I love you, baby, c'est la vie. Well, he called me one morning, it was 3:30. He was somewhere outside of Tucumcari. Said he hadn't slept since Tennessee, and he had seen Satan there. He puts everything you buy on a microchip, downloads it all off a magnet strip, and every time you shower, and every time you he knows just when and where. Well, the DOJ, they hatched up a plan. They had the devil dead to rights on a rebate scam. They said, we're willing to wipe the slate clean if you give us all you got on the Cracker King. The Cracker King is long gone, never stayed nowhere too long. Might have been right, might have been wrong, but all the boy did was wrong. I said, Sammy said he'd seen you in old San Juan. You were sleeping on pallets, you were polishing chrome. You'd lost your truck, you'd lost your home. You barely had a tooth in your head. There's plenty of jobs needing done around here. I could pay you enough to keep you in beer. He took a deep breath, I heard his voice clear, and then the line went dead. He was back in Amarillo, late in the file, when the cashier said he finally hit the wall. All he had in his coat was some Demerol and an empty bottle of wine. And in the sweat-stained stench that used to be his shirt was a picture of Rita in that miniskirt, looking so fine it made a poor boy hurt. She was leaning on that 359. It was a different land, a different time, what we called hard work they now call a crime. From Okeechobee to that